right, guys, we are standing outside with the sun in our eyes just to bring you another video. We are at Antonio's Flying Pizza, and tonight we're gonna let you guys know what this is like. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go see the pizza fly.
Let's go. I noticed is the owner has retired, rightfully so. He's done this for so many years, but so the pizza show doesn't technically happen anymore, but they do, as you can see, still throw pizza over there, and they'll do it for the children at the countertop. So if you want to see the pizza show, you have to have a child, and they'll go up to the counter and they'll toss it back and forth with the children. But I'm still excited that we're here. I want to try the food because it smells fantastic in here. Alright guys, so let me update you on the mozzarella sticks. These sticks, the crust outside feels like the cornmeal that goes under the pizza when they slide it in the oven. It's very light, it's crisp, it has a clean taste, very well seasoned, and the marinara sauce tastes like it's homemade. It's really good, and the mozzarella, you can see that cheese pull on it. These are actually some of the best mozzarella sticks that I've had in a while. I'm excited. The bread is okay, but it's kind of run-of-the-mill. Nothing bad, just nothing spectacular. But I'm looking forward to the pizza that we ordered, which is Antonio's special, and something else. What did we order? What was the other one we ordered? Meatball. The meatball. The meatballs are extremely popular here, so we're looking forward to trying those. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how good, this pizza is. The crust is light, airy, and slightly crunchy. The onions, peppers, everything is completely fresh and delicious. I highly recommend coming here and trying the Antonio special. She doesn't like everything that's on it, so she picked some of the stuff off, but it's still good. The sausage is fantastic. So I really do recommend this place. I think the next move is to try these meatballs and see how good they are in this spaghetti with angel hair pasta.
That is really good. The meatball is it's very fresh. I can see why it's so popular. And everything is just fresh. Even the marinara sauce, it's real tomatoes. You can tell it's homemade sauce.
Alright guys, I gotta tell you, this doggone marinara said the same thing. Alfredo sauce, is delicious. It's almost like a chowder base.
Yeah.
It's almost like chowder. It's so good. I would mistake this for a delicious soup, potato soup or something. I'm not even a Alfredo person. She can tell you I don't eat Alfredo much or nothing, but that is the absolute best Alfredo sauce I've ever tasted here at Antonio's Flying Pizza. So I think this is an absolute win. What do you think?
It is.
All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up. I'll give you my thoughts when we get outside. Just complete wrap up of the meal. When we get outside to the car, it's a little more quiet, but just so you know, you don't have to stay to the end. I'll give you some ideas, but this is an absolute win. We'll see you in the car. All right, guys, we are done with our experience at Antonio's Flying pizza, and I must say, well, before I start, what did you think? What did you think about the marinara? I keep calling it marinara.
Alfredo.
The Alfredo sauce. What did you think about the Alfredo sauce?
So everywhere I go when it's Italian, I always have to get the Alfredo sauce because that's, to me, the best part to me. And I really liked it because it's not heavy, it's not thick. It had the right amount of lightness and the taste was light. So it was extremely good. Definitely did not disappoint.
So I got to tell you, when I first saw the mozzarella sticks, I was thinking, these big puffy sticks, they're going to be just like everybody else's. I was pleasantly surprised. Like I said earlier in the video, I loved the crust. It was light, but it was very present. You could tell that you had a good hearty crust on there, but it wasn't too heavy or too thick. Then the mozzarella cheese that was on the inside of it was stringy and tasty. It had a good taste inside of it. And then comes the now the bread again wasn't that great, whatever, it was bread, but it wasn't bad at all. It just
typical.
wasn't, it was kind of run of the mill. I don't know if they made it in house or what, but when the pizza came out, all you saw from a distance was toppings on toppings on toppings. And
Fresh.
Then oh my God, the onions.
Yeah.
The onions had this little sweetness to them. Even though they were white onions, they had a little sweetness to them. So it just made the pizza pop. They put jalapenos on half. What was it? Sausage,
pepperoni. It said it had ground beef on there.
And some bacon. Something that was like bacon tasting.
Yeah.
Which had to be bacon because bacon tastes like bacon.
Black olives, and then you got jalapenos on half.
Yeah. So I want to talk about the spaghetti and meatballs. It was angel hair pasta and meatballs. You could tell it was handmade. Right there, large meatballs is one of the most popular dishes.
Yes, very good. That's the first time I ever had meatballs because I usually go for like manicotti or something like that, but I wanted something different today. And our server recommended to eat the meatballs. He said they're very popular. So I did, and the ingredients on it were very fresh. It was really good.
Shout out to Eduardo and Antonio staff. But I want to highlight. Wow, sorry guys. I want to highlight Eduardo. He was fantastic. His service was spot on. He came back, checked on us, but it wasn't perfect. It was a great experience. And then I stopped to talk to one of the managers on the way out and told her I have a complaint against Eduardo. And he did fantastic. He's going to make me believe that I'm supposed to get this kind of service anywhere I go visit. And she was kind of waiting for an actual complaint. And I kind of threw her off, which was nice. So guys, if you ever come to Houston and you're anywhere, matter of fact, no, it's worth a special trip to Antonio. If you like great service, fantastic food, Antonio's Flying Pizza is the spot for you. I highly recommend it.
Yes.
All right. 4 thumbs up, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.